Oh my god, it's been a while. Oh my gosh. Maybe I should have adjusted myself before I push record. So how have you guys been? I was supposed to vlog a lot in June, but did not happen. June was a very difficult month. My husband did get sick on me, and no, he did not get Rona, but he did have a very rough month. Um, but other than that, it's been okay. Thank God no one's been sick or other issues have happened. But I am actually going to my sister-in-law's house, which is why I'm in a bathing suit right now, showing too much skin. But yeah, I thought I'll kind of vlog a little bit today. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. I'm gonna leave a thumbs up. But it's been a very interesting couple of months since I've vlogged. So much has happened, but nothing has happened, if that makes sense. Yeah, not me. All right, so I'm actually trying to look for a picture that I just took right now, but I can't find it right now. So let's see. I do want to quickly just show you guys something that I just got, and it is the Milani Make It Last Sunscreen SPF 30. Can't wait to like see how this works because I love SPF, and to have it in my setting spray will be bomb. I have used the Supergoop one before, but it does kind of tingle sometimes on your face. Oh, forgot to use the camera. But yeah, so then I also actually got the new e.l.f. Bite Size blushes. So excited because I do love their eyeshadows. They have such pretty shades. I probably will do an Instagram, IGTV video on these. I have been posting a lot, at least once a week, IGTVs on Instagram. So if you do like makeup, go ahead and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I wanted to show you guys. Oh, there. Okay, so I've also been, oh, the lighting, been very much loving this Essence blush. Oh, this can't really see it. It's in the shade 20, Obsessed. Absolutely love it. But if I had to recommend one thing right now off the spot to you guys is this Catrice Sungasm Face and Body Highlight. It's huge. I have it on right now. You guys, I'm obsessed. It's $10 at Ulta. Go get it right now. I absolutely been loving it. Loving it. Really quickly show you guys. Oh, sorry, I was sitting down, so it's kind of. So the bathing suit is actually from Target. I'm trying to zoom you guys in, but it's not really working for some reason. I haven't used this camera, I don't know why. There we go. It's from Target, and honestly, these jeans, I want to say are from Fashion Nova. They are very old. But I love this bathing suit. It's like the perfect, not really showing off bathing suit, other than like up here. Because your girl, tummy is a little swollen. I make tres leches cake, guys. Came out bomb for the first time from scratch. Came out so good. I'm lactose. And then my husband got me ice cream. So I was dying, and my stomach literally looked like I was 4 months pregnant. I'm not, but it looked really bad. So yeah, that happened. And we're actually still in a process right now of doing our guest room, which our blinds are finally up, and we did, like, you know, the bed and everything. So I'm so excited for that to be completely done. I've also been coloring like crazy. I am a child, as you guys know, but I've been coloring so much, so I even have a little section of coloring stuff. But the coloring book that I have been using the most, if you follow me on Snapchat, you already know it is this one, which is the Nickelodeon Splat, the Splat one. You guys, I love this. I am a 90s kid, so I grew up watching the Rugrats. I love the Rugrats, love Hey Arnold, love the Wild Thornberries, love the Monsters, and this is the one, Beanies and Meanies. Oh my god, Norbert and Bert. Whoa, I forgot their name. Love the show too. And then this is the one I'm actually currently working on, which I love this show as well. Kind of ruined it with the eyes, but it's okay. So excited to do this one though. Oh, I love this show. And I've also been playing Animal Crossing. Honestly, lately I've only been playing Animal Crossing because my sister-in-law has been playing Animal Crossing, and she's like, visita mi isla. So I'm like, okay, I'm on my way. And of course Stephanie plays Animal Crossing too, but she's been playing Zelda and all this other stuff. So, and then these are the dumbest updates, but it's been 2 months, guys. I also, hey baby, about me, baby Yoda. You guys, seriously, one of my guy friends says it's creepy and I should have got the like the soft one. That soft one is creepy. I don't know why he thinks that's less creepy than that. I don't know. My husband's having his own little DJ session downstairs, so if you hear the music, that is why. I'm gonna show you the cheesecake. The cheesecake. I wish it was cheesecake. There's like just cake I made. This is what the fresh one looks like. Leaving the house checklist: mask, gloves, hand sanitizer, cake. Literally. It's such a beautiful day. I almost drowned. It happened. There goes me not getting my hair wet.
The world won't stop, so we won't stop neither. Gotta go sunlight, and we face them with no fear. And it's always on my mind.
My hair was fixed. Makeup still looks good though. Alrighty guys, so as you could tell, a girl is a little tan. Nothing crazy, but I am a little bit. I am actually gonna go ahead and edit this video and get it up. So you saw, I can't believe I fell. So my hair is like, I gotta wash it now. If you have curly, colored hair, you know how annoying this is. So I'm gonna go ahead and just make my husband's lunch and call it a night. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.